Communication is really an integral part of our society. Nowadays, everybody is using WhatsApp, Paytm, Facebook, a lot of other applications that are out there. Now, you have what everybody is saying is called connected world. You go to a bank, try to withdraw some money, and there is an SMS on your mobile phone, as well as there is a Gmail email which says this much amount of money is actually withdrawn. So that is the connected world that we are right now looking at. Communication has increased so much that it becomes really important to understand what communication is all about. So what are the main characters of communication? The first and the foremost is the transmitter or the sender. The second is the medium through which you are sending that data. And the third is the receiver and the data itself. So all these parties are really important when you are having a communication. Let me give you an example of google.com. Let's say you open your web browser and you're trying www.google.com. The moment that happens, there is first an ISP that needs to be connected so that your internet connection is valid and it can actually pass through. Then there is a DNS resolution that happens. From google.com, it is converted into an IP, and that IP is used to contact the website. Now, while that contact is happening, there are so many intermediate nodes and intermediate routers that are there that are helping you connect to Google. So it's a simple www.google.com, but there are so many connected parties involved in it. So what are the different types of communication? There are basically two types of communication: wired communication and wireless communication. Wired communications are what you see in a normal university where all the nodes are connected through actual coaxial cable or different types of networks. Whereas wireless is what you do probably at your home where you have a wireless router. Interestingly, Facebook and Google both are trying to give free wireless network for everybody. So that's an interesting thing that is happening in communication. What are the different types of network topology through which you can create a connected world? Now, there are different types of network through which you can do this. One is ring topology, there is star topology, there is bus topology, and there are other topologies also. So if you want to give you a simple example of what topology means, I'm sure most of you have played a game called Chinese Whisper. Now, this is a very simple game where your participants are sitting in a circle, and the first participant says something, some story to the other participant's ear, and he has to continue that story till the end. Now, this is a classic example of a ring topology where data packets are moving from each node and gets to an intended recipient. Now, there are different types of network that you can create. There is WAN, that's wide area network, there is LAN, local area network, and there is MAN, metropolitan area network. The biggest of the networks is called internet. Now, internet connects all the WANs, all the LANs, all the MANs together, and there is basically big data center responsible for internet, and you can actually go to google.com because of internet.